To make salsa falsa de aguacate or fake avocado sauce, you heat up your frying pan. Once it's hot enough, you add the cooking oil. We're gonna saute the ingredients. They're all gonna be chopped like this. This is half an onion, 5 cloves of garlic, 3 to 5 Serrano Chiles, 5 tomatillos, and last but not least, 1 to 2 gray squash or Italian zucchini. Here often we're gonna cover them. All the ingredients are gonna be semi-raw, so don't let them cook all the way. Let's see how they're doing. Yeah, once the tomatillos change color, they're ready. This can be semi-cooked, so that's fine. That's what we want. So we're gonna throw them all in the blender. Everything. No liquid, just the oil. And we're gonna add some salt and some cilantro. And we're ready to blend it. Crush it like the ice. And it's ready. Now we're gonna taste the salsa falsa de aguacate or fake avocado sauce. I'm gonna taste it with some carne asada. I already have in the videos how to make it on the flat griddle. Add some carne asada to my tortilla. And some sauce. Hopefully it's not that spicy. Let's see. My friends, this is a great combination. This is the salsa that you find in the restaurants that you always thought it was avocado sauce. Very tasty. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. To make salsa falsa. To make salsa falsa de aguacate or fake avocado sauce, all ingredients are gonna be chopped and we're gonna saute. We're gonna saute the ingredients. They're all gonna be chopped like this. This is half an onion, 5 cloves of garlic, 3 to 5 Serrano Chiles chopped. The more spicy you want it, 3 to 5 chopped serranos, 5 tomatillos chopped, 5 chopped tomatillos. Some carne asada to my tortilla and some sauce. My friends, this is a great combination. This is the salsa that you find in the restaurants that you always thought it was avocado sauce. Of salsas like this one. Thank you for watching. See you next time.